What is up, y'all? So I have another unboxing video. I have the 2 more pops that the Acceptable channel has sent me, and I'm gonna open it right now. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. So the one I got is Pooh Bear, Winnie the Pooh. He's adorable. Sorry for that little mistake. But yeah, I got this one, and I have one more. Yeah, so I'm gonna open this one now. This one's, I don't really know where to open it because it's kind of... So much packaging on this thing. Okay. Okay. Sorry for it taking so long. Oh my gosh. I'm taking so long to open this box. I don't know why. Okay. I think I got it. Maybe. Okay. Oh my gosh. This thing came in a lot of bubble wrap. Holy moly. So, came in this box. And, ew. Sorry. And this is my second pop that the Acceptable channel sent me, and it's a Care Bear Cheer Bear, one that I've always wanted, and it's a chase. So this is definitely gonna go on my shelf of pops, and yeah. So thank you again to the Acceptable channel for sending me these pops, and I hope I see you guys soon. Bye!